Hi everyone. So today this video I will show you how we can create a API using Filter Mediator. Let's start how we can do that one. So same process, like we just need to use Integration Studio and create new REST API XML file. Let me quickly create that one. Filter API. Filter wall. You can give any name, okay, which is convenient for you, and choose your context. Give one version name here. Let's finish this one. So this is like the default a template, like while you are creating any new API. So this video we need to use post. So first of all, let's change that resource to post here and save this file. So today video I will show you what things we need to do. So this is one sample JSON file. So while we are hitting like this API through Postman, so first it will check message inside message name, and that name value is Narayan or not. If Narayan is there, then it will call one condition. So let me quickly show you. So we need to drag and drop on Filter Mediator here. So if this Filter Mediator data is success, then it will call then. If the filter mediator data is not success, then it will call else condition. So as per our test scenario, if the name data is Narayan, then it will call then condition. If the name data is not Narayan, then it will call else condition. So first of all, let right click this Filter Mediator, show property view. There is two options here, one for regular expression, one is source view is there. So regular option, let me add one expression is here. This is one expression, like while you are calling our source, it will filter this keyword is there or not. So if the keyword is there, then it will call then condition. So here we need to change to expression. So this expression, what I need to do here, I need to call JSON hyphen eval. So inside JSON eval, we need to call dollar. So after dollar, like if you see this example, right, if you go through this example, message is there, after that name. So after message, it will call name keyword. Let me copy this one, go through this Integration Studio dot, then message, after that we need to call name. So while you are hitting this sample request through Postman, it will check this name data is Narayan or not. If name data is Narayan, then it will call then condition. And then after like success, what we need to print. So as we already multiple page, like we used Payload Mediator. So you can let me add here to Payload Mediator. So those who have any doubt like how to use Payload Mediator, kindly go through my channel. If you scroll down, that part number 8 you can see, right, it's already 17, like it have step by step each process. Kindly watch that one. Then go through Integration Studio in Payload Mediator. Let me go through show property view. So show property view, let me change here to JSON, because we need to print the JSON format, right? So here I am adding name. So after name I am adding here $1. So $1 argument. So this is our key. Then what value? So that value we are assigning as an argument. We click here argument. Change this one to expression. So this expression we need to paste the value. Like we need to paste the value from message then name. If the data matched with our request, then as a response also we need to make it as a dynamic. Let me change this one to JSON. Click here. And it will pop up a new window, right? So here we need to change to JSON, and this JSON, let me add here dollar dot message dot, let's make it as a spelling correct, message dot name. So this name data it will fetch from this name value, means whatever we are passing through request body. Let me finish this one and save this file. Then if the condition is not success, let me right click this payload, go through property view, change this one to JSON. So here I am adding one more response name. So here let me add here $1. So what argument we are passing, let add here. So value keep as it is like argument type. So here I am adding name mismatch. Okay, let me finish this one and save this file. So this is done for our postman response. For EI log we need to add some log, right? So let me add log for then, one for else. So right click this one, show property view, change this one to full here, save this file and do the same process for else log, right? Let me go through property view, change this one to full. So whatever response we are getting, we'll print it as a log as well. So now our we need to respond back, right? So after adding this respond mediator, our API is done. Let's go through POM XML file. So in POM XML file, let's select that API. So already this one like filter.api is there, right? Let's save this file. So after this one, right click this car file, go through export composite application. Here give one proper name. Let me add one name here, Filter Mediator API. Click next. So here just verify that XML file is you selected correct or not. That is fine. Let's finish this one. Now our carbon archive file successfully created in the given destination. Click OK. So go through our carbon UI. Reload this page, make sure the session is not logged out. So here click add application, choose that car file. So just now we created this one, right? Select this one, click open and upload that file. So it is showing what application has been uploaded successfully. Please refresh this page a while. So let's wait for a few seconds and reload the page. We refresh this one. Now you can see Filter Mediator API is here. Let me scroll down. There is one option is here APIs. Click that one. So just now we created this one, right? Let me copy this API invocation URL. Open Postman. So here I am adding one URL here. Let me add this URL. And this is post method. So we need to change to post here. Go through body. So body choose to raw data and here just modify to JSON. Okay. So as we already explained, like we need to use one test sample test data, right? Let's copy this one and execute through postman. Beautify, then send request. So as we already explained, if the data is Naren, then only we will get data Naren. If I am adding one more A here and send request. So here you can see, right, name mismatch. If I remove that A again and send request, I am getting my name here Naren. So that means like filter condition is working fine, then condition and else condition. Hope this video you like you understand like step by step process. If you think you have any doubt and query, kindly ping in the comment box. So I will improve that one. So those who are watching this video newly, kindly like, subscribe and share my channel, so it will motivate me to make more videos. Thank you so much.